Can a lymphatic massage boost your immune system? You may have heard the concept of a lymphatic massage being a good thing to strengthen your immune system. A lot of people seem to be doing this these days, but you might be unconvinced that it can actually benefit your immune system. It is just a simple massage after all. For you to understand how lymphatic massage can help to boost your immune system, it is important that you are aware of what your lymphatic system does. If this is all new to you, then maybe you have heard of lymph nodes before. The important role of lymph nodes in your immune system. Lymph nodes are a vital part of your immune system for a whole host of reasons. To start with, they contain lymph, which is an essential fluid containing T and B cells. These are the cells that will target harmful pathogens in your body and kill them off. Your T and B cells are the primary way that your immune system fights against diseases. The other essential role that your lymphatic system performs is to filter out things that have no place being there. Your lymph nodes will get rid of additional nutrients, dead cells and disease-ridden pathogens by filtering them out of your blood. Once the lymph nodes get rid of the stuff that is unwanted, clean lymph fluid gets back into your blood while all of the other nasty stuff is flushed away. This is where a lymphatic massage can really help you. A lymphatic massage forces filtering through the system. The aim of this type of massage is to basically force your body to filter stuff using your lymphatic system. This additional encouragement to filter will help to eradicate any threats a whole lot faster. The thing to bear in mind here is that a massage will help to clear away any lurking diseases before they are able to take a hold in your body. You need to be aware that lymphatic massages are not a tried and tested method of boosting your immune system like some others are. There is not a lot of scientific research to support the massage as it is still relatively new. But there is a strong belief that it does help, and more studies are underway or have been planned. The massage will accelerate natural processes in your body. What the lymphatic massage does is to accelerate processes that occur naturally in your body. There is no evidence that this is a good thing or a bad thing right now. But a lymphatic massage is highly unlikely to harm you or your immune system. In fact, there have already been cases where the massage was able to assist with swelling. The massage has a number of benefits. Do not be afraid to indulge in a lymphatic massage because it is not going to harm you. Many people that have experienced this type of massage have reported that it is helpful for stress relief and that it is very relaxing and refreshing. Despite this, we do not recommend that you rely on lymphatic massages as your sole way of boosting your immune system. There are other methods that you can use that are more established and will definitely increase your resistance to infection and disease.